you know, I want y'all to just sit back and think for a second, you know what I mean? Now, there's a lot of haters out there hating on people, relationships and stuff. Don't nobody want to see you happy. They always trying to take your joy and bring you down when you feel good. No. But you gotta be the one to sit by your mate and say, I'ma be with you no matter what, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it, I did wrong, you did wrong too, you know what I'm saying? But we gotta put up with each other shit. The easiest thing to do is leave. You did. Anyway, check this out.
I don't wanna lose this relationship, so we gotta stay strong. Don't wanna move on. I know you're sick, tired of the fussing and the fighting and the cussing, but I love you and you love me too. I did you wrong, you did me wrong. I take you back, you take me back. I did you wrong, you did me wrong, girl. I'll take you back, I'll take you back.
No matter what you say, no matter how far you go, don't take your love away.
Because I love you and girl I want you and girl I need you. So let's just work it out. I ain't trying to waste your time, and I ain't trying to waste my time. There ain't no need to waste no time, cause we done put in too much time. I ain't trying to waste your time, I ain't trying to waste my time. Ain't no need to waste no time, cause we done put in too much time. When you're in a relationship, the easiest thing for you to do is to leave. You gotta stick it out, and I work it out, and I stick it out, and I work it out, and I stick it out. Cause at the end of the day, I did you wrong, you did me wrong.